In this video, we will learn how to use Gmail filters and labels. So let's start. This is my Gmail account. So I'm showing you different way to use the filter in Gmail account. So let's start. First, go to the setting. Click on the see all setting option. Here you see the filter and block addressed. And here is the following filter are applied to all incoming mails. So here you have an option to create new filter. So this is the first option, but it's to go to the setting and then click on the tab, the filter tab, then click on the create new filter. It's a long process. I'm showing you here shortcut process to filter the incoming emails. Okay, so I click on the inbox and click on the search mail here. Click on this show search option. Here you see the create filter option showing here. You can enter here email ID from to, you enter here subject has the some word specific if you want those you want to filter, and does not have if you don't want the particular word and sentence. And you can select the as per your requirement here size date within the all mail or only inbox mail and any other sent mail. Those you want to filter, you can set it and click on the create filter. This is a second way you can filter your data. And here I'm going to show the third way in detail. So I just go to in social tab here and select this Facebook birthday email. Just click on it, and here you see the three dot. I just click on this three dot. In three dot here you see the option the filter message like this. Just click on it, and here you see the automatically filter all birthdays Facebook mails.com. From from that email ID is automatically filtered. If I click here circle, here see already filter all data without click on the create filter. If you go again, you want to, if you if you want to filter specific subject, you can enter here and word something. I just click on the create filter. When after click on the create filter option, here you see the number of option available to filter search the particular criteria. Just click on it specific criteria. Just click on the skip the inbox, and if you want to forward delete it, there is a number of option available. You can click on it and create your filter accordingly. Okay, so I just click on the apply the label. I create here the one label. Just click on this arrow and click on the new labels. I enter here the Abby birthday. Okay, name of labels, and just click on the create option. Then here you see the last option also apply the filter the matching conversation. Just click on this also and click on the create filter. When you click on the create filter, here you see in the labels the Abby birthday labels is created. When I click on the Abby labels birthday created, here you see the all birthday emails showing here 97th Facebook birthday emails. Okay, and I just click on the inbox and go to the social again. Here is a not found any birthday emails of the Facebooks. All is moved in the Abby birthday labels. Okay, so this is a way you can create the filter in Gmail account and with the labels. So that's it. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.